room? Like, is this just a sunroom?
Yeah, I think so.
Huh. Last night.
Wait, let me bring.
Last night we had one too many drinks.
We started off with a rosé.
That was all Yolanda.
Yeah, a bottle of white, La Fête du Monde.
This will end you.
This, yeah.
This is really the end of the world. Woke up feeling less than optimal this morning, but we went and got coffees and croissants. I really like the new apartment.
Thank you. But I always forget at night that this is a room full of windows and they can see directly at me dancing on this table sometimes, you know?
Last night we were jamming out.
Playback.
If you're single and honestly working a getaway car.
Oh, sorry.
X-Mark. Crying in the chip bag.
Stoned at the nail salon, more like crying in the chip bag.
I think the neighbors can't hear us because we don't have like...
When we're screaming, you don't think the neighbors can hear us?
I think they can hear us, but they're not like...
I don't think it's obnoxious.
I don't think it's obnoxious.
They can probably hear it. Today we're getting brunch with
Heather at the Vieux Vélo.
And then we're gonna do some thrifting on our walk back.
on our walk back, just because it's like on the way, might as well.
And it's raining all weekend.
But it's nice. It's a good spitting.
Yeah, it's a good spitting.
Yeah, it's like a spit. I don't think that's oat milk.
Open up yours. You're like a forensic scientist.
Yours is just darker though.
Maybe it's not oat milk.
My best compliment would be I would wear it.
I'm gonna pull out sweatpants.
This is quality vlog content.
Yeah. Comes to Montreal, lays on my couch. Look, it's just a sleepover. This is what adult sleepovers are like now.
And just one of the days is sleeping with my...
No non-sponsored content.
I want a happy planet.
No, I'm blocking it with my... They don't pay you, you don't give them the ad space.
You really remind me of Zendaya as Mary Jane.
Reference photo.
I want you to be pregnant because I want to take pregnancy photos for you.
Oh, you would take the best pregnancy photos for me.
Like, I'm imagining like
No,
the same
I'm fully
tones.
naked
Yeah,
and
you're
my
fully
hair is
naked.
super long.
Your hair is super long. It's this color, and then we dye your eyebrows that color too.
Oh shoot! And we do like a red lip.
Yes, that would look so cool. Actually, that would look cool as is. I'm so sorry, I'm butchering something.
It's fine.
So like that's like the goal.
I love being the main character of your vlogs.
You are.
All good.
Big scoops.
Oof, big oof. The smile though.
Actually, kind of right. Depend on what color you're playing. God damn it!
From now on, we roll in the goddamn blocks.
Okay.
Wait, what were you? Heather, could you possibly get me more water? You can take the tea bag. Yes.
This is the $5 gnocchi here in Montreal. That is kind of mediocre, but $5, so who cares? It's good, but it's literally just like bread and tomato sauce. But it's good.
Okay.
I don't really know how to play, so bear with me.
Using your items is the left trigger, so
Okay.
the left button on the back. I don't know if you like know how to
You're
drift, but the drift button is the right trigger.
Gotcha. Oh shit.
I don't know why. Like, Sam, you've never been to my apartment before, but when we were just sitting there, the three of us, like, you about to leave, I was having mad deja vu.
Because it's literally, this looks like your old apartment though.
No, I think it's because you could sense that in the future I would be coming over. So you were just like
Reverse deja
memory.
vu. Today's Sunday. We've had a slow day because, you know, slow Sundays. And we're about to go to a coffee shop to get some coffee, and then she's gonna go home. She's gonna leave me.
And we're in Heather's new apartment.
Yeah. New setting for this sitcom that we're living in, you know?
If we were in Hollywood though, they would be like on the back of each other.
Yeah, they would be at the back.
So
of
you
each
land in
other.
the apartment would be like the other side of this apartment.
Yeah. So like you would exit through her balcony and it would be like my backyard.
Yeah.
You know.
Really trippy.